We have a 1968 Dodge Charger RT with a 440 completely frame off restoration. Beautiful car. Chrome is perfect pretty much. Body work is very good, very clean paint work. Every single part of this vehicle has been painted. They didn't spare any expense, no shortcuts. Left fender, everything is in good condition. The car is just absolutely beautiful. All the chrome work, no pitting there. Cowl area is good, no signs of any chrome issues, no signs of any issues with the seal around the windshield. The covering on the roof is very good. If you look close, you can see a tiny little kind of bubble-ish there. Nothing really major. Everything is tight and clean. There's no rips, tears, fading. Overall, I would give it a thumbs up. The chrome over here, see a tiny little issue there on some of the chrome there. Nothing really severe. For the most part, everything looks very good. Very clean work. All the chrome back here and the trunk lid, everything is very clean. I hate to talk over this beautiful noise of this exhaust. You can hear that. I don't hear any misfires or rough running. There's no smell of any smoke or oil. No coolant smell, no rich hydrocarbon smell. Engine is running perfectly. The chrome back here is in excellent condition. Paint work again, very neat and clean. All the body panel gaps are pretty much perfectly even. Overall, this vehicle gets 2 thumbs up. Very nice work, very clean car. Happy? Coming to the interior, this car is in incredibly clean condition. All the door openings, everything is impeccably painted. Weather strips are in good condition. Door trim panels, they're all in good condition. No rips, tears. There's a little bit of something going on here. A little bit of paint chipping on the bottom. That's the metal panel. Minor details. Looking in the door jambs, the A-pillar, the hinge pillar, I should say. Everything looks clean. I don't see any rust spots around the hinges. Everything's been fully painted. Weather stripping is in excellent condition. It's all supple. It's been replaced. This whole car has been restored. The sill plate here is good. The B-pillar, door latch, that's all good. Driver's seat is in incredible condition. No rips or tears there. I mean, if we're getting real critical, there's a little tiny mark there, but overall, above average condition for this year and model. They definitely did a good job on this. Steering wheel's in perfect condition, no cracks there. Steering column looks good. Dashboard, all original. Top of the dash is not cracked or faded or anything like that. It's got the original radio face, but they said that they've overhauled it and updated it to digital. It's got a Bluetooth connection. You can see that hanging down here. And the driver's floor mat is clean. Pedals have minimal wear. Carpet underneath is good. There's sound deadener all throughout the whole car under the carpet. As far as the underside of the dash and the firewall, That's all in impeccable condition. I don't see any messy wiring or anything hanging down here. AC control or HVAC housing, they said they overhauled and rebuilt the entire interior of that. All the doors and actuators. Coming to the rear, seats fold normally, the back side of the seat is good. Rear carpet and mat's good. And the rear seat, same thing, very good condition. Interior trim, back here in the quarter trim, that's good. The window goes up and down. Headliner is in very good condition. Very clean car. And coming over to the passenger side door, same thing. Everything is impeccably painted, very clean work. You rarely see cars of this level. They are out there, but they're the exception really. Chrome trim and everything is in excellent condition. A-pillar here, hinge pillar, hinges, no rust or anything. Sill plate is all clean. Tiny little scratch there. Nothing severe, but the main thing is you want to look for bubbles under the paint, rust or anything like that. Everything looks good. Over here in the passenger side dash, same condition. It's very clean. They still have the original owner's manual, tiny as it may be. Passenger side seat, also in exceptional condition. No rips, tears, stains, anything like that. Seat folds down normally. Rear carpet's all clean. Rear seat's clean. I don't smell any abnormal odors. There's no musty or moldy smells, no ammonia smells like there have been any rodents, and no smoke odors at all. So I would give this one an absolute 100% thumbs up for the interior. Excellent condition. Coming back here to the trunk, also more of the same. Exceptional clean bodywork. Everything has been painted to a very, very high level of detail and quality. I don't see any drips or runs. There's no evidence of any rust around the trunk opening or anywhere else for that matter. Looking inside the trunk, I can get my lighting. It's all clean. Back side of the quarter panel, wheel housing. It's got the spare tire rim, no tire on it. It's got what looks to be an original suicide jack there. Highly recommended not to use those. Just for safety reasons. Underneath the liner, everything's impeccable. A lot of times on these cars you pull this back and you can see it's not been touched. This one has been painted. Very clean, no rust anywhere. Coming over here to the left side of the trunk opening, the owner showed me that they did not glue the weather strips, specifically because the serial number is stamped here so you can see it. Engine starts up with about 1.5 pumps of the gas, totally normal. Idle smooth. See all of the gauges, fuel gauge, temperature is good, oil pressure sitting right around 30-ish. Looks like it's charging. Radio, you heard that. That is So coming into the engine bay, it's absolutely impeccable work. First off, you're going to notice the paint work is pretty much flawless. It's definitely a full frame off restoration. You don't see any shortcuts. Every little inch of this vehicle has been painted and coated properly. If you look down here, you see in this area also they spared no expense. Everything in here has been properly painted. You can see the fender mounts powder coated. Everything is in excellent condition. Even the rubber on these vacuum actuators for the headlamps. Nothing's dry rotted or deteriorated. Coming to the mechanical side of it, looks like the battery's in very good condition, probably very new. Radiator is very clean, no signs of rust or corrosion, no leaks. Fan is in good condition. Belts and hoses are good. It's got a clutch on there. Also no leaks, no deterioration, no corrosion. Belts look like they're brand new. The hoses, ignition coil wires, all the rubber components, everything is in excellent condition. It's got the aftermarket headers. This is a 440. According to the owner, this originally came with a 318, which is a 5.2. I don't see any leaks anywhere from the valve cover gaskets. Minimal sweating here on the intake manifold gasket. That's almost always the case on classics, but this is much less than I usually see. Firewall's in excellent condition. All the wiring and vacuum lines have been routed cleanly, properly. It's got your Magneti Morelli 4-barrel carburetor. No leaks there. Also over here, no signs of any leaks from the valve cover gasket or anything there. You can see the exhaust is all very clean. Underside of the hood also very clean. Thumbs up on the engine bay. This thing is in very good condition. Excellent work. The engine starts up smoothly. Only one pump of the gas is run. Idles smooth. No valve train ticking noise. I don't hear any noises from the belt. There's no lower end knocking noise. It's running incredibly smooth. No exhaust leaks, no noises over here. So looking at the left front suspension, once again everything has been done to a very high level of detail. Everything's in good shape, good condition. Looking at the brake lines, wheel cylinders, I don't see any leaks or sweating there. Sway bar link grommets look like they're brand new. All the rubber bushings, ball joint boots here, control arm bushings, everything is in excellent condition. Full frame off, they've spared no expense. Rubber here on the track bar bushing is good. I don't see any leaks from the oil pan gasket there. Tiny sweating. Nothing really of concern. Steering linkage and all those boots are good. I don't see any leaks there from the gearbox. Looking at the exhaust, the header, just everything is impeccable. No rust or corrosion. Looking down here, a straight view from the frame. Everything looks good. I don't see any welds or bends anywhere. Coming over here to the right front suspension, looks pretty much identical to the left side. No signs of any leaks or seepage at the wheel cylinder or brake flexos. All the rubber components are in excellent condition, pretty much new. All the paint work has been thorough. And you can see on this side the headers and exhaust all clean. Frame from this view, the little bit that I can see, looks straight. No fresh welds, no cuts. Bottom side of the engine, transmission. So, like I say, everything is clean and in good condition. Coming over to the left side undercarriage. Once again, you can see the exhaust is in beautiful condition. Frame up here, everything looks good. It's got complete paint undercoating, I should say. Park and brake cable properly secured and positioned. The exhaust back here is also pretty much perfect. All the frame back here is straight. The differential back here, it's also clean. No signs of any leaks. Leaf springs are Hemi springs. Transmission is also a Hemi 18 spline transmission. And looking at the rear undercarriage and left rear suspension, everything is very clean. Tiny little specks of surface rust here on the leaf springs. Nothing really severe to worry about. Frame rail back here looks straight. Gas tank is new, or has definitely been redone, repainted. No leaks. Mounting straps are good. This right rear suspension is good. I don't see any leaks or sweating at the wheel cylinders or brake lines. Leaf springs are all properly secured. Everything is in impeccable condition. And coming back to the right side, undercarriage. Leaf spring, shackles, mounting all good. Frame back here looks good. Exhaust is perfect. I see what looks like, this is probably just the undercoating here, kind of lifting. So that is not rust, that's just the undercoating. Kind of push on it. And right side looks very clean. One thing I do see here, look at the output shaft seal on the transmission. There is a drop of fluid there. That's a relatively easy fix. You pop out the drive shaft, replace the output shaft seal, and you're good to go. So that's not a major issue. Considering how perfect this car is, that's one of the few issues that I've actually found.